Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Aditya Sharma. Today we discuss about the classification of insulins. Insulins are classified as rapid ultra short acting, rapid short acting and intermediate acting and long acting insulins. Firstly, we discuss about the rapid ultra short acting insulins. Example is insulin aspart. Onset of action is 5 to 15 minutes. Maximum action is of the insulin aspart is 1 to 2.5 hour and duration of action is greater than 5 hour. The brand name in which market preparations are Novolog by the Novo Nordisk is a company which is manufactured the Novolog. Preparations it can be available in the vial, cartridge and disposable pen. Next is insulin glucine. Onset of action is 5 to 15 minutes. Maximum action is 0.5 to 1.5 hour. Duration of action is 2.5 hour. And the brand name is Apidra and is manufactured by the Sanofi Aventis. It can be available in the vial and disposable pen. Next is insulin Lispro. The onset of action of the insulin Lispro is 5 to 15 minutes. Maximum action is obtained in 0.5 to 1.5 hour. Duration of action is 2 to 5 hour and available in the homolog and is manufactured by the Lilly company. It can be preparations can be obtained in a vial form, a cartridge and disposable pen. Next is rapid short acting insulins. First is Humulin R. Onset of action is 30 to 60 minutes. Maximum action is 2 to 4 hour and duration of action is 3 to 7 hour and manufactured by the Lilly company and the brand name is Humulin R and it is available in the vial form. Next is Novolin R. Onset of action is Novolin R is 30 minutes. Maximum action obtained in 2.5 to 5 hour. Duration of action is 3 to 7 hour and it is made up and manufactured by the Novo Nordisk and in the brand name available in the brand name of Novolin R and available in the vial form. Next is intermediate acting insulins. First is Humulin N. Onset of action is 1 to 2 hour and maximal action obtained in 4 to 12 hour and duration of action is 12 to 16 hour and it is manufactured by the Lilly company and came in the brand name of Humulin N and available in the vial and disposable pen. And next is Novolin N. Onset of action is 1 to 2 hour. Maximum action obtained in the 4 to 12 hour and duration of action is 12 to 16 hour and it is also manufactured by the Novo Nordisk and available in the brand name of Novolin N and available in the vial form. Next and last is long acting insulins. First is insulin Datamir, that is Levemir. Onset of action is 50 to 120 minutes. Maximum action is no peak. Duration of action is 18 to 24 hour and it is manufactured by the Novo Nordisk and available in the brand name of Levemir and available in the vial and disposable pen. Next is insulin Glargine, that is Lantus. Onset of action is 1 to 2 hour and duration of action is 24 hours and it is manufactured by the Sanofi Aventis and available in the brand name of Lantus and dosage form available in the vial, cartridge and disposable pen. Next and last is insulin Degludec, that is Tresiba. Onset of action is 1 hour and duration of action is greater than 24 hours It is manufactured by the Novo Nordisk and available in the brand name of Tresiba and available in the disposable pen. These are the classification of the insulin. Thank you everyone.